Welcome back to my channel. Today we shall write a Python program to shuffle a deck of cards. Firstly, we have 52 cards within a deck with 13 each of spade, heart, club and diamonds. Okay, so without any delay, let's get into a PyCharm and write the program. I'm on my PyCharm now. Firstly, I want to import two modules. For shuffling, we want random module. We have a method named shuffle in random module. So I want to import random module first. And also we have to create some Cartesian product of all these spades, hearts, diamonds and clubs. So for that, I'll import itertools module. Okay. Now I'll just name it as deck is equals to itertools dot. I want to create a Cartesian product, right? So I use the product function within the range of, we have 13 each, right? So I'll have 1, 2, 14. As the last number is not counted within the range, sorry, here, range, right? Now let us create a dictionary. Sorry, not dictionary, let it be a list. Okay, spade, club, heart, and finally we have diamonds, right? Yeah, we have created the Cartesian product. So firstly, let us check if the Cartesian product is created correctly or not. Yeah, I'll run the program now. Run. Sorry. itertools product object heads. Okay, I'll just have deck of 0. I'll run it again. Yeah, it has returned a type error. itertools.product object is not subscriptable, right? So any itertools object is always not subscriptable, or you cannot get any object from that. So let's convert it into a list. Now let us write again. Yeah, this time we got 1 spade, right? Now it gives 1 spade, 2 spade, 3 spade and so on. Let us check the whole deck here. Yeah, it has written 1 spade, 1 club, 1 heart, 1 diamond, 2 spade, but we don't want like this, right? It is in a particular order, but we want to shuffle them, right? So let me remove this. Now I'll use the random.shuffle. I'll give the deck. Okay, our deck of cards is shuffle now. Let us see if it is shuffle or not. Print deck. Yeah, it's been shuffled, right? Now I don't want all the cards, I want only 5 cards. For I in range 5, print deck of I. Right now I'll run the program. Yeah, we got the 7th club, 10th diamond, 8th club, 9th heart and again 10th club, right? So in this way you can shuffle deck of cards using random and itertools modules. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you want to follow my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon Besides, do not miss any notification when I upload any video. Okay? And also, if you have any doubts, please reach me out in the comment section. Thank you.